Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamia Ivy, and in today's video, it's going to be a reset video. I'm going to try to reset my life. But I've been gone from YouTube for a little minute. Sometimes I really don't be motivated. And then other times it's like, it don't be really nothing to record that I feel like it's like recordable, but I need to just start picking up this camera. But I do sometimes. I be having footage from stuff, but it just be like anything. As y'all see, I'm in the bed right now in so much pain. I go back to work tomorrow. I started doing lashes, y'all. I got photo shoots lined up, trips lined up. Halloween is next week. It's Wednesday, and I have a Halloween party to go to Friday. And I don't have a costume. It's just a whole bunch. So today I'm going to try to get my life together. It's 3:41 right now. I've just been sitting here on my phone. My phone is really my money maker, honestly. Like if I'm not at work or like if I'm not doing lashes or something, my phone is definitely my money maker. I don't know what time I'm gonna get up, but my camera look blurry. Hold on, you guys. I don't know what time I'm gonna get up and start what I need to do, but I'm gonna get up soon. I just wanted to start this video out. I don't want to be talking for too much. I tend to do that a lot, so yeah, I'm trying not to do that. My stomach is really fucking with me, so me trying to do this video is really gonna be like a stretch because, girl. But everything I have to do today, I'm gonna clean my room. Well, girl, I just be coming up with shit. Also, I need to wash my clothes and wash my work clothes. I need to wash my hair. I just recently washed my hair, but it's glue in my hair from this bob I just had. And as y'all see, my hair looks a mess. I just need to eat something and take some medicine, and I'll be feeling better in a minute. So yeah, I got to do that. Right now, I'm probably about to eat something so I could take some medicine so I could just chill until the medicine start kicking in. Then yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Also, I'm going to make some content for my lash business, and I actually overslept today. I was supposed to do somebody's lashes today. Good thing it wasn't a client. It was like a friend, like a practice, as a model. So I'm glad it wasn't a client. I don't want to start off like that. And I'll put a shower routine in this video as well. So yeah. So other than that, I'll get back to y'all when I'm about to cook me something to eat. I'm probably about to just make me a sandwich, but like a real sub, like toasted, and gonna make that. I made one last night. It was so fat, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to sit here for a minute and chill. My stomach is really bothering me. I don't feel like getting up right now, but I'm gonna get up in a minute for real. Y'all see it's dark now. It's 6 o'clock. I still ain't got up and made me nothing to eat. Took no medicine, nothing. I just been sitting here. But I've been making lash content for real. So go on my Instagram. Well, I'm gonna put my name right here. Y'all gonna see the content that I just posted and stuff. I just post content on my main page and on my lash page. So yeah, I'm about to make me something to eat now though, so I could just take this medicine. Every time I come on here, I look a mess. I don't know why my TV look like that. Yeah, my stomach hurts so bad. Like, this is not a game. It's not a game. It's not a game. It's not a game. I'm about to wash my clothes. I'm gonna just do it because I talk too much. Finna watch my girl Pretty Iceland new video. It's an hour long, so I'll see y'all when I'm done.
First things first is also do a 20-minute treadmill workout. But it's like every single day I keep adding a chill of skincare. You know, now that this is not even in order because I want to wash my clothes while I'm at the gym because by the time I come, we have these things that I really want. I think you can do online, but one thing like I wear, and I think that because you don't have to.
Y'all get out the shower, spray perfume on you to air dry. I promise it's gonna make you smell so much better. I don't know, like it marinate or something. I really don't know. It's really not pajamas. I don't know. I don't care. It's a jumpsuit from Shein, but who really gives a fuck? It's too big, so I'm wearing it to sleep. I'm finna brush my teeth and wash my face so I can wind down. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take these 2 pills that I just got.